Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a lazy day. I'm wearing my Beamer Angels outfit. It's so cozy, so it's perfect for rainy days and the days that I decide to do a hair bun. So this is what I look like on lazy days when I don't want to dress up or go all out. So I wear this outfit all the time. It's super cozy, super snuggly. It is made out of 85% cotton, so it's definitely super soft. Here is the logo in the back. And yeah, it definitely shines in the light. I love this outfit. I wear it all the time. So if you girls like it, check it out. It's at beamerangels.com. I posted the website link down below in the video, so if you guys want to check it out. So today we're going to Dixon Motorsports and I'm gonna get the diffuser installed on my car. Super excited about it. I went with the GTS style and I'll show you guys what it looks like in the next video that I recorded yesterday, so you guys will see what it looks like. I'm also going there to get my fuel valve replaced, and this is what the part looks like. The reason why I'm getting it replaced is because when I fill up my tank, like the RPM starts shifting and it's just like almost revving like on its own. I'm not pressing the gas pedal or anything. It just the RPM just keeps on going from like 1000 to like almost 2000 RPM. Obviously gotta get that replaced. Don't want to deal with anything serious. It's a small minor issue, and I know it's that because I've seen previous videos from other YouTubers and it was literally the same issue that they had. In this vlog I'll show you guys what the process looks like for the fuel valve to get replaced, and I'll show you guys also the diffuser that's gonna get put on. Super excited about it, so follow along with me in this vlog. Hey guys, I'm at Dixon Motorsports, so I'm gonna get my diffuser put on and getting the fuel valve replaced. Let's go see what they have outside. Look guys, there's another E93 M3. This is what my car used to look like, with the whole chrome trim and orange reflectors, stock grill, stock headlights. This is literally what my car looked like. Bad boys indeed, huh? And the 335 IS. I actually had one, you guys. That was my first BMW. It was that 335 IS.
We're going to replace this fuel tank vent valve, and what we got to do is take out the air box and the intake plenum. It's right underneath. Pretty simple.
I love you guys because I can actually come back and talk to you about every little detail and learn and be like here while you guys are doing this. Like, not all shops will be okay with that. Like, I feel like you guys are my brothers here.
Shortcut this whole thing up. So we got the intake box out. Now we're gonna get the plenum, and there are all these worm screws underneath.
Oh, I see. All 3 of them, right?
There's one more in the back too.
Oh, so if there's 4?
Yeah. This is the easy side.
What are those things called again? Those for the...
They're like a worm screw.
Worm screw?
They're like a hose clamp.
The beauty. There's that part, fuel valve rated that we're replacing right there.
If you guys ever take one of these off, you get a couple hoses that you gotta pop off. One in the driver's rear, and then right underneath the intake here. Your throttle actuators,
Okay.
they're underneath this wiring harness. There's 2 of them. There's one for bank 1 and one for bank 2. And the other issue I've seen people have are the idle air control valve, which is under here. And then secondary air pump. For some people have issue with secondary air pump. And that's about it. Other than that, these motors are pretty stout. I don't really see many issues with them.
Thank you for that. And now I know what to expect in the future.
If you go underneath, you're to push a little and then pull. This latch you kind of push in and pull, and then they pop off. That's it.
Awesome. Good job.
Just make sure you grab your right one, the new one. It just pushes in. Rubber foot on this one, which is cool. On your car, on a lot of these cars, your fuel tank, it has vapor that's coming off the gas, out of the gas tank. And for emissions reasons, it has to burn it off. So they use a check valve like this to control the flow of the vapor, and it just goes right into your engine and it burns it off at idle. So a lot of times people have drivability issues when your check valve has an issue, it's stuck open, or if it fails, it's giving all this fuel vapor to the motor and it can't burn it correctly.
Here's my old fuel valve. So let's hope that now after I got it replaced, my car will be fine after I get gas. So I'll show you guys if I have any issues. X5 is sexy. X5 man. Alright, here's the diffuser. Okay, let's go get some gas and see how my car is gonna perform. So what was happening before is this would just keep on going up and down from like 1,000 to like almost like 1,500. So it would just do that on its own right after I would fill up all the way. And the other day it actually stalled on me at a stoplight, which was pretty scary. So that's why I searched everything online and figured out what the issue was. So let's hope if we fixed it. Let's go for a ride in this gloomy day. But I don't feel gloomy because I got the new diffuser on and I'm super excited about it. Hey guys, I just filled up all the way, so let's see if my issue has been resolved. So far it's normal. So yeah, before it would just keep on going down, up and down, like it just kept on doing that. And you could hear the engine too, like it just sounded like it was revving on its own. Yeah, you guys, it's just this little small fuel valve that you gotta replace if your car starts acting up and just right after you get gas. So that's the biggest indicator that that's just that issue. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.